Hey everybody, it's David, and here's a quick review and a little bit of a tutorial about how to get started with Postcron. So Postcron is a powerful and easy way to schedule your posts across all of your social media accounts. So if you're like me, you've got a personal Facebook page, and then you might have some closed groups in Facebook for your business, and you might even have a business page here in Facebook. So you know when you're posting things in Facebook, if you've got all kinds of groups and pages, it's pretty tedious. What Postcron does is it brings everything under one roof here and allow you to do it. It allows you to schedule it and do it automatically for you. So I signed up through Facebook and went in and allowed them to have permission to post and to get information, and you have to check public when you're registering with them. And then I added in. This only takes a couple of minutes. I added in my business page, and I added in 4 of the closed groups in Facebook that I deal with. So if I want to post something to them, I can just, let's say I've got a blog post, my latest blog post. I go and grab that URL, and I just paste it into Postcron here. And Postcron's going to go and grab the picture, the headline, and the excerpt, and then up here I'll put something like check out my latest blog post from India. There you go. And I've got all of these highlighted up here, all of these checked up here, so that's going to go to all of my Facebook pages. I'm going to click schedule. I'm going to schedule it for the 24th. I'm going to hit done, and then in a couple of seconds you're going to look down here and it's got all those posts scheduled all ready to go. That was simple. That would have taken me way longer if I did it in Facebook manually, right? So you can also go in and you can add a Twitter account. You go to Twitter, you can go to Google+, you can add a LinkedIn account, you can add your Pinterest account, and you can add your Instagram account. So you could do the same thing that I just did, and right up here next to your Facebook pages and groups icons, all across here you'll have your Twitter and your Google Plus and your LinkedIn and your Pinterest and your Instagram, and you can choose which ones you want to post to or not. Let's just say I didn't want to put it on my personal profile, and I didn't want to put it on my business page. I just wanted to put the post to these 4 closed groups that I have. You would just choose those 4 groups and do it. So that's it for today. A couple minutes about an introduction to Postcron and how much I'm loving it so far. The next video, we'll go over here and take a look at the content gallery, which is really cool. So look for that next video. Thanks.